All right, welcome back, everybody. I am at the Cougar display with Alex, who's going to tell us all about their latest and greatest products. What do we got?
This case is really something very unique. It's designed in a very special way. Omnyx RGB. What's special here? It's, if you see, there is no face. We would say you can put it in all direction,
sure.
And it's symmetric design. It's very convenient. You can also modularize this part to put on different sides. You can find here a power supply. It's hidden in a way you can find it.
Sure.
Yeah. So everything here is, and it comes already with a huge RGB fans on sides pre-installed, and of course you have a lot of way for customization, and it's very convenient to move it from different sides. That's something we would like to stress on powerful and pure design. Another model is Airface Eco RGB. This model is coming with a special pedal, and air cooling here is designed in a way that when air comes, it's like physical rules of air in out. So when they are in, it's more powerful and it makes cooling much better.
Because it's taking it from a wider aperture to a more narrow aperture, and it's focused. That's very smart.
That's what our engineers decided to use and apply exactly in a panel. That is, you will not find from other manufacturers. So this model is also on the way to the market, still not available, but right after CES we'll have those to be presented in US market as well.
And this is called the Airface Eco?
Yes, Airface Eco. So you have black and white edition.
Very cool. I love, like, this case looks so amazing to me, but I am so impressed by this little design touch there. It looks really cool, it gives a cool effect, but then it's fascinating to find out that there's also a practicality to it, that it actually increases airflow. That's fascinating.
Yes, and another case we would like to show during this expo is Airface 2 RGB. What's special here, it's more like a budget line case, but it comes still with a very big fans pre-installed, 180 fans. As you noted, we're trying to move to bigger fans. I think probably it's a trend for Cougar, and not only Cougar, but to make cooling more powerful for a new motherboard, graphic cards, for components inside, just to make sure everything is running smoothly. So that's how it works. So this time we bring these three cases to show our fans, and I believe they will not be disappointed with these products in the new year.
Well, I definitely am not. I think these are fascinating. Find out more at Newegg.com.